What is the undeniably best decision that you have made for your music career?
The creative system I've been following from Crywolf on so many levels is just so beautiful and just holds up so well because it makes so much sense, and it's just so timeless, I think, because it just wraps around whatever where you're currently at, because you have like this inspiration phase where you can just go into whatever you feel like inspires you right now, and it just gives you like the opportunity to like really look into yourself and where you're at right now. The system of like creating like something new every day is just so genius because you take out all this pressure, and I think pressure is like the biggest killer for creativity, because and I wrote like 2 of my bachelor theses on creativity, and I think the biggest thing that blocks creativity is like pressure and like expectations. It doesn't matter if I make book today because I have 29 days more to give it a shot. Just an eventuality that at some point there's something good that is gonna happen during these 30 days. And if it's just 2 or 3 things, but it's like one of the best things that you made that you ever made, it's like absolutely fine. It's probably it's gonna happen. It's just gonna happen. It never happened that there's like nothing coming out of it. It's like always a few tracks, and they are absolutely beautiful and they work so well. I'm not paid for saying this.
No,
this is just
all.
my absolute, coming from the bottom of my heart, it's like an absolute beautiful thing that I discovered and that really shaped the way I make music. And it's even if it might not be for everyone, I think you should at least give it a shot once, because you also discover a lot for yourself.
It actually having real life tangible effects on your life to the point where you say it's one of the greatest decisions you've made for your music career is just, yeah, thank you, dude. That's just, it's incredible. It's amazing. DAW Nation, listen very closely. This is not the end to this content. This was a teeny tiny little snippet from our full episode. You can check out the full episode in the link in the description. And when you go to the free episode, you can get a free pack over there. So go check it out right now. Why are you still here? Get out of here. Go check it out. We'll see you over there.